Here I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Basically you have to do it like this. And after that you will appear in this kind of menu. In this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the second option, reboot to bootloader. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. These letters here at the top are saying enter in Fastboot mode, which is the proof that we are in the Fastboot mode. Like, they won't change to like something like entered Fastboot or something like that. It will be like this all the time. So yeah, which is the proof that we're in this mode. So if you want to quit Fastboot, just hold down power key for about 7 seconds, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.